Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to start with a new lesson, that is lesson number 5, editing text in MS Word. Now, how to edit text means how to make changes in a text once your document is ready. Okay, means you are changing the color of the text, that is editing. You are changing the font of a text, that is also comes under editing. You are aligning the text to the left, right or the center, that also comes under editing. Or you are correcting the spellings, that also comes under editing. So any changes you make after preparing a document is your editing. Okay, got it? Suppose I have written something and now I am making changes in that. So that time when we make changes in that, that is known as your editing. And that time when we are writing means creating, that is known as your document creating. Okay, so two things we can do. We can create document or we can edit document. Now, Microsoft Word is an application software used for word processing. It was introduced by Microsoft Corporation. This is the picture of your Microsoft building, world's largest companies in the software development. And this Microsoft has developed Windows also, and these are the icons. Okay, for different products like your MS Access is there. This is the Word file. Then your PowerPoint is there. This is your Windows. So different Excel, different softwares are there. This is your Outlook and this picture is of Microsoft. Now MS Word has the power and flexibility to produce letters, reports. We can produce letters in that. We can produce reports in that. Notices we can write in MS Word. Okay. So this is your notice. Then newsletters, books, bills, etc. quickly and in a presentable manner. Modify the text both while typing and after typing. Beautify the text using your colors, styles, font size, border shading and various other effects. Insert graphics and make use of various drawing tools to draw pictures. Copy and move the text from one location to another. Preview the text before printing it. Take a multiple printouts. Okay, we can take number of printouts from printer. Now starting MS Word. Start, then all programs, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Office Word 2007. Maybe you are having 2010 or the 16. The Word application opens a blank document with the temporary name document 1. Okay, the name of the document, first document is your document 1. Now this is the labeling of your window. See that this is your office button. This part is known as your quick access toolbar. This is your title bar, this blue bar where minimize, maximize and close buttons are there. This is your title bar. Okay. Then this part, this whole part is known as your ribbon. And home, insert, page layout, references, mailing, review, view, these are your tabs. Okay. And within the ribbon, groups are there like clipboard is one group, font is one group, paragraph is one group. So these are your groups. And this is your cursor. And this part is your document area. The small blinking vertical line that you notice on the screen is known as insertion. It indicates the position where the next typed character will appear. As you start typing, the cursor automatically shifts to the right. We can enter the text on the same screen or create a new document. Now entering the text, start typing the paragraph in a new document. While typing, you will observe that Word wraps the text automatically and moves the word do not fit in the current line. Now what is that wrapping? See what is written there. Knowledge is information. Okay, it is a potential power, but it becomes power only when it is. अब it is के बाद अपने आप यहाँ जगह नहीं है तो क्या हुआ, देखो न्यू लाइन में चला गया, एक्टेड अपॉन. इसके बाद हमने एंटर की प्रेस किया है. लर्निंग इज लाइक अ ईटिंग फूड. इट इज हाउ मच यू eat that matters. Okay, nobody can give you knowledge, you have to take knowledge. Okay, if I am taking the classes, no matter कि you are going to understand, जब तक आपकी इच्छा नहीं होगी समझने की, no one can you teach you. So what count is how much you digest. So knowledge is like your food which you take and digest. So creating a new document, how to create a new document. Click on the office button, click on the new, click on blank document and then click on create. Select the blank document, click on new button on the quick access toolbar. This is the new button. Shortcut key for new is Ctrl+N. Saving the document, click on office button, save option. Give the name and then click on save. Shortcut key is your, this is also save, and shortcut key is your Ctrl+S. Closing the document, click on the office button, then you have to click on close option. Now do you want to save changes to the document too? Yes. Click on yes if you want to save the file. And to close the document is Ctrl+W. Okay. Next is your opening a document. Office button, click on office button, click on open. Select the file, click on open. The shortcut key is Ctrl+O. So till now we have seen Ctrl+N for new, Ctrl+S for save, Ctrl+W for close and Ctrl+O for open. So this you have to revise at your home. We will take another class and I am going to show you how to make beautiful letters and the cards and the documents in MS Word. Till then you have to practice it. Open MS Word, start typing anything. Okay, open any book and type. So goodbye for now. Take care. Stay at home. Drink plenty of water. Bye bye.